Adam need a medic? Alright. I'm coming home. Alright, cover me. Alright.
Watch the
kid down there needs a medic.
Watch the better.
Alright. There's guys on the bottom side, I think.
Alright.
They got like, damn, that thing's on fire. So we need to get.
Down low.
Tom, go.
You get him?
No. Good shot. Alright.
Good kill.
Tom, move up to that.
I'll cover you, go.
You good here?
Yep.
My bad. Still need medic? Alright.
Yeah, get Frank back there too.
Alright. Dom, I'm running back. Cover me. Alright. Take this side. Here, Dom, take this side.
Where are they?
Or up that side.
Alright.
So, Adam,
Yeah.
cover me. I gotta run back to medic.
Alright.
Ready?
Go.
Where are they at?
There's some down here.
Watch the left here too.
Got it.
You want me to cover you and push up? You can stand here.
No, you. Alright, hold your fire. Come here.
I'll go.
Hit! Good shot! Medic!
Watch out behind Tom,
Medic.
In the bunker.
Thank you.
I know that guy's
Ah, fuck. Adam, I'm coming to you. Thanks.
Yeah, there was like 6 people all in a bunch. Alright. Are there still a bunch up down there? They were all behind that.
Here.
Yeah, no, they were sitting behind that building. So they're like half in or half out. I was like, what? It's like they came to us. Oi, quit shooting through that window. You're gonna hit us.
Move up here to us. Yeah. Tom. Where?
Straight up.
Oh, up top.
good?
Yeah.
So.
Go, go, go!
Right, pop to us.
Go, Tom, let's go this way.
What's up, buddy? What's up?
We can't go that high.
They don't listen to rules, guys. Go, go, go.
Taking fire. Watch well.
Ah, fuck.
Other spawn. Watch these trenches. Hands up.
Loading. What?
I'm out. Our BBs are out alive.
He's dead.
Get down, we're taking fire, man. Watch out in this corner.
I know. Yeah. I can't get you yet.
Yeah. Just bleed out. Bleed out, people.
Ah.
Why'd you run here? It's the worst spot.
Just bleed out to me when you're done.
Yeah, he's a medic.
I did that there again. I'm not a medic. Awesome, doing a pillbox, I'm hit.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Dom, you're good. Bleed today.
Huh?
Bleed to me. Tom, bleed to me. Get down. You're shooting like right
I'm
here.
hit right here for your information.
Don't worry, Dom.
So right here front. I'll just bleed out. What?
Here, get in front of me. I'm medic.
Hey, medic.
Oh fuck, watch out, watch out. You're shooting right there.